What's up guys? So we are in the car. We just left this grocery store. We've been editing for the last 4 hours. We're headed to coral pink sand dunes for sunset. It's about an hour, 20 minutes. So we're gonna get there around 7:50, pretty much an hour before sunset. Kind of just probably mostly drone, and then if we can get close enough and it's not 115 degrees, we'll probably hike out to the dunes, get some Sony shots, and then we're leaving the hotel that we've had for 3 nights. So we're back in the car tonight. Not too excited about it, but it is what it is. So, see you there. Alright, so the dunes are right behind as far as we can see, but before those mountains in the background. Just trying to find a pull off to make sure we can drone safely. Alright, so we just came to this pull-off. It's kind of at the top of this hill of the park. The park is pretty linear. Just a state park, so we're going to go to the top of this right here. You see? Just on the other side of these bushes, just so we have a good overlook of the entire park for droning, and then afterwards we're going to go in the park and actually walk out to them and get some Sony stuff. Got some solid drone footage. Now we are heading in the park. The sun is shining perfectly. Towards the end of that flight, you can see the dunes, like half of them are really shadowed, half of them are really bright. So it's perfect for shooting the dunes. So now we're gonna get in there, try to run out as far as we can and get some cool photos. Alright, so I've shot dunes a few times, so I know that in the beginning, once we're far, until we pretty much run out there, I'm probably gonna want some more telephoto lenses, so I'm throwing on my 85. Then once we find a good vantage point, the light is still nice, I'm gonna use my 16-35. So we had a malfunction, we lost our outro and all the Sand and Brian shoes, but we got some good stuff. We got some drone, some 16-35 stuff, some 85mm and 85 on APS-C. I have not emptied my bad boys out yet. So let's see what the dog's got. I think my left one's heavier, so I'm gonna do my right one first. think this one's lighter. Not much. Let's see what this guy's got. I think you actually beat me.
Yeah, I definitely.
That's the old pile.
I had a lot more.
Yeah, that's crazy. Yours were lower. That might be why.
Yeah.
Anyways, that's it for this episode, guys.